Yes, you heard or saw it right. Now you can edit videos in Lightroom Mobile. This video will not be a preset tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to edit video in Lightroom Mobile. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say a few words. There is something important at the end of the video. Watch the full video, otherwise you will not be able to edit videos in Lightroom Mobile. So let's get started. First, you need to import a video from here. Then you can edit it. Well, let's edit this video. You can also use these effects and filters if you want. Okay, the important thing is that you have to update Lightroom Mobile to the latest version. The current version is 7.4.1. Otherwise, you will not be able to edit videos on Lightroom Mobile. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Also, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back with a new preset tutorial.